The Bird of Paradise by Empress Rastafari. Let's go. Xera was a tropical bird known as Bird of Paradise, who lived in a house with a garden center beside. She loved to perch at her window to watch all the new plants and shrubs that shopkeeper got. One day when Xera was perched up as usual, she noticed the shopkeeper got a plant so unusual. "Wow," she exclaimed, "it's just as I've seen a million or more times in my dreams. The stems are so tall and the leaves are so wide. It's got to be the plant Bird of Paradise." So straight to the shopkeeper she flew, but the shopkeeper, he already knew that the Bird of Paradise was Xera's lesson in patience is a virtue. "Shopkeeper, shopkeeper, tell me I'm right. Is that their plant the Bird of Paradise? I've dreamt about it about a million times, and now I'm here to take home my prize." "Oh no, young lady," the shopkeeper replied. "For you to have this plant, you have to go thrice. 3 times my size." Xera began to contemplate. "But all good things come to those who wait." Xera was impatient as impatient could be. What would it take a day or 2 or 3? "Do you think you can take care of this flower? It will help you pass away the hours. This flower is exotic and rare, and who knows, in a few weeks may have a surprise to share. Here, take it. It's just as big as you. As it grows, so you will too. And before you know it, at the drop of a dime, you will have your Bird of Paradise in your hands." Xera's face lit up. "I know just what to do. I'll help the shopkeeper take care of you. We can eat and drink and play together until the day we both get bigger. Then I will bring my plant home and we can all live together." One day a few weeks later, Xera noticed the flower bloom, so straight to the shopkeeper she flew. "Shopkeeper, shopkeeper, surely I grew, for my flower has bloomed. Now my plant can come home too." "Oh no, little one, you're much too eager. Tell you what, come back when you're bigger," chuckled the shopkeeper. Xera was distraught as she walked away. "I can't believe this. There's just no way. I was sure I would surely get it today. For my flower she bloomed, and I grew too." Yes, and with all that being true, you must know that patience is a virtue. Xera called to the other shopkeepers far and wide. "What's the fastest way to increase my height so I may take home my Bird of Paradise?" And after the shopkeepers heard her plight, they all had the same advice. "You never get to be that height, and who dreams a dream a million times? Forget about that Bird of Paradise, for it will be a few years before you double in size, and by then, it'll be too late." But the remedy for growth is never haste, for all good things come to those who wait. In a few weeks' time, the flower blossomed and bloomed, and where there used to be one flower, Xera saw 2. So off to the shopkeeper she flew. "Shopkeeper, shopkeeper, surely I grew, for my flower that was once 1 has now become 2. Now my plant can come home too." "Xera, is that you?" the shopkeeper replied. "You have doubled in size, and oh my, how you grew. And I'm glad to hear your flower bears too. Yet I'm sorry to say, you have a bit more growing to do." A few more weeks in, just as Xera was through waiting to check her size, her height, or debating, and "But wait," Xera exclaimed, "is that my flower? It grew so taller, with the stem standing tall and leaves opening wide." Xera finally realized her surprise. "It is my very own Bird of Paradise." In the midst of my impatience and haste, I almost missed what was right in my face. Now I know that with patience and time, all good things will surely be mine. Instinctively she knew just what to do, so off to the shopkeeper she flew. Shopkeeper, shopkeeper, it's just as you said. The flower you gave me is so exotic and rare. Indeed, and in fact had a surprise to share. And now the dream I dreamt about a million times has now come through before my very eyes. And to you I am truly giving thanks, for now I have my very own bird of paradise. A little patience goes a long way, and all good things come to those who wait. Don't listen to what the naysayers say, for only you can dream your destiny. Shopkeeper chuckled and grinned as he fluttered his wings. See you in your dreams soon, and don't forget, be wise and learn, bird of paradise. Hey, wait a minute, Xera then instantly knew. That shopkeeper, he was in my dreams too. I would like to thank everyone for coming with me on Xera's journey with the bird of paradise. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for more ones coming soon and soon. Until such time, give thanks. Love and guidance.